Okay, now we are going to improve in 2D. This is very important. We are going to improve in 2D only this view. So we are going to create a specific hatch for this section. So we want, for example, this section to appear in gray. So now we will go to annotate, region, field region. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is edit type. Okay. So here we have the line weight, that is going to be how thick is the line, the color of the line, and the fill pattern. The fill pattern is what is going to be the hatch. So I'm going to go inside the fill pattern. I'm going to say solid fill. Okay. And the color, I'm going to change it into dark gray. Okay. Solid fill, dark gray, opaque. Apply. Okay. And now I'm going to draw what I want in that hatch. So I go for line and I'm going to go over. The reality is that for construction documents, usually we don't do this. It's enough. But when we are beginning architectural and structural drawings, it's easier to do the read the plans when they have this kind of hatch. So now we said okay, and we have our view. As you can see, it's easily to read what is in section now. So when we are beginning a project in these first stages for the architectural and structure, we do it like this. Then for the construction documents, in structural plans, we place the reinforcement instead of this gray hatch, and in the architectural part, we place all the layers and the names with a key legend that it tells you what is each element. Okay, but for the beginning, usually we go with hatches like this, just to understand what is in section, what is not, and where we have material and where we don't. Okay, to have an easy way of reading. So we are going to do the same for this beam. So fill region usually is the same one. If we want to create something different, we'll duplicate. Okay, we can set that this one is the dark gray solid. So this one will be the one that we have done, and we duplicate, and we can do another one that could be the light gray solid. So this one, we can come here and select another type of gray. So you have here the type of hatches. You have light gray and dark gray for fill region, you see? So now I go and I draw. As this is rectangular, instead of line, a rectangle. Okay, I've got it. I have to do this for the whole section. Okay, I'm not gonna do it for the whole section, but you have to fill the whole section. So the whole section will look properly. Okay,